Hi, I'm Scott, and today I'm going to show off our Delite Growing Together kit. Every kit is hand-selected and ready to give, whether that's to your recipient's desk or directly to their doorstep. Packed securely within this magnetic closure box is the perfect budget gift full of goodies that emphasize the growth and potential each team member has. We start with our Delitely exclusive Growville Praise Kraft Planter Set. This includes sunflower seeds and everything you need to grow your gratitude. Next up, look to our silicone planter. Perfect for glass windows, this planter will hold your tiny plants against most surfaces using patented grip technology. We included effective and self-dissolving houseplant fertilizer tablets that make feeding your indoor plants a breeze. Finish off your kit with a Delitely exclusive custom plant stake. As your plant grows, look at this reminder of how awesome you are. This kit is the perfect gift for anyone looking to see their plant grow along with their goals. Give them something to smile about with Growing Together Kit.